Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. It's VALUEBANK here. So in this video, I'm actually going to be showing you how to close your Amazon KDP account. Now, for example, your KDP account is having issue, okay? For example, book blocking issue, and maybe you've had series of book blocking. You've been uploading book in the account and it's not going live, or you have any other issue. Maybe, for example, you have verification issue, okay, and KDP closed your portal. You try to contact them, they are not opening your portal for you. So I'm actually going to be showing you how to properly close your Amazon KDP account so that you can recreate that account. Then you start working on a new account. And the catch is that if you are closing your KDP account, the only thing that will be lost is the email that is attached to that account. You get every other thing, you can use it to create another account. You get, like, every other details can be used to create another account. The only thing that you cannot use is the email that is attached. Now, this is if your KDP account is not terminated. You get, if your KDP account is still much alive, is not terminated, you understand, it's not having any termination issue, this is when you can do this. You get, then use your details that you have to create another account. You get, so it becomes a brand new account that you can operate smoothly. You get. Now, if you are seeing me for the first time, I'm ValueBank and I create videos on how you can use book publishing, sales and marketing, and content creation to actually create wealth for yourself on the internet. So please make sure you hit the subscribe button, and also make sure you like this video so that YouTube can recommend this video to more people, and do well to share the video to other online cousins and publishers like you. You get, so those are the reasons why you should want to, like, close your KDP account if you're having issues. Now the thing is, if you want to, like, close your KDP account, the first place you have to go is to go to amazon.com. And before we actually go to that, I did a live few days ago. That was 2 days ago, right? A day ago, on Friday. You can go and actually watch this live. I actually shared a lot of value in this YouTube live, and this is my first YouTube live. So I also gave an offer, but the offer, I think the offer has actually elapsed right now. But you can still take advantage of the offer if you go through that, and if you can come to my DM, I can still maybe consider you to give you that offer. So the place you have to go is to go to amazon.com, not KDP. You don't close your KDP account in amazon.kdp.com. You close your KDP account in amazon.com. You get. Now, before this will happen, it should be your email address that is attached to that KDP should be logged in. Like, the account should be logged in that web browser, that KDP stuff that you use. The account should be logged. You understand? As you can see, this particular account I'm trying to close now, to use as an example, is what is it called, logged in this particular browser. You understand? So all I have to do is to go to account. So you come to the normal amazon.com. You get, then you come to this section where you can see your name, then just hover on it or tap it if you are using a mobile phone, then scroll down, you see account, you click on account. You get. Now it will take you to this point whereby you can now see your orders, login and security. At this point, you are not going to login and security, so you are not request card or anything like that. Just scroll down. You get, scroll down. As you can see, you will see a lot of things here, but just scroll down to the last. Manage your data. You see request data, manage apps and service with data, close your KDP account. You get. Now, for you to do this, you just need to click on the close your KDP account. Now you will see this, it will take you to this page where it says close your KDP account. Please read this carefully. Now before you want to close your Amazon KDP account, just make sure that you know what you are doing. So you have to take your time to go through this message. As you can see, you are about to submit a request for us to permanently close your account and delete your data. Once your account is closed, all of the product services accessed through your account will no longer be available to you across any Amazon site globally. For example, submitting your account closure request through this website will also close your account on amazon.co.uk, amazon.france, amazon.mexico, and all other global sites to the extent you use the same credentials to access services and products offered through your site. Now, this actually means that if you are closing your Amazon account, it closes everything. Like, because if you are registering an Amazon account, you are signing up for an Amazon account, you can use that one login to log into any of their services you get, then continue from there. Just the way if you are creating your KDP account, you first of all come to amazon.com and create the account. After creating the account, you can now take that email and take that password to go and log into the KDP account. You understand? So that is how it actually works with all their websites. So this is amazon.com, this is Amazon Seller Central, Amazon Business, Amazon Associate. All these accounts that you are seeing will be closed. Amazon Flex, Amazon Prime, Amazon Pay, Amazon gift card. You understand? All these accounts that you are seeing will be closed. Now you see Kindle Direct Publishing, which is KDP, will be closed. Amazon Auto Central will be closed. Amazon, like everything that is related to this account, will be closed. Now you come down below and you see account closure is a permanent action. Please note, account closure is permanent action, and once your account is closed, it will no longer be available to use and cannot be restored. If you decide later that you want to start ordering from us again, or if you would like to use products and services that require an account, you will need to create a new account. You understand? But not with the same email. So you can now come and, yes, I want to permanently close my Amazon account and delete my data. You get? So once you choose this, they will also delete all the data that you've imputed. You get? So that is why I said you can use the same data to create a new KDP account. So all you just need to do is to click on close. Okay, you just allow it to load. Okay, so you see now, confirmation required. Protecting your privacy and security of your data is a top priority for us. You will receive a confirmation link via email or text to verify your request to close your Amazon account and delete your data. Please note, this link will expire in 5 days. And maybe you did it by mistake, or someone wanted to close your account, you understand, and you are not aware. So you can see the email before any damage happens. You get? So what you have to do now is to go to your mail. If you have received the confirmation mail, and just confirm that you just reconfirm that you want your KDP account to be closed permanently. So I just received the mail. I'm using my mobile phone to actually confirm it. Okay. So all I have to do now, if you receive the mail, you will see, hello, we received a request to permanently close your Amazon account and delete your data. If you submitted this request and would like to proceed, please click the confirmation button below. This is a permanent action, and once your account is closed, you will lose access to all the data and content in the account, like your order history, subscription, photos, gift card, purchase books, and videos. If you don't want to close your account, you may cancel the request by using the button below. So you will see two buttons. One is confirm account closure, one is cancel request. So if you click on cancel request, the account closure will be cancelled. If you click on confirm account closure, they will actually go ahead and close your KDP account. You understand? So you just click on confirm, and that is it. You will now have to, like, maybe log into, they will now, if you click on confirm, they will give you access, like you'll be given an option to like log into your, put your password and what's it called, your KDP password, you get, to reconfirm if you are the one, you get. Then after that, your account will be closed, you get. So your account will be closed. Now that is it about this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Value Bank YouTube channel if you not yet subscribed, and join the Value Bank community. The link will be pinned in the comment section. The first comment you are actually seeing there pinned is the link to the Value Bank discussion group, so you can ask questions if you have KDP issues and all that. Another thing is that if you want to actually join my inner circle mentorship, or if you want to get my aggregator dollar blueprint, which is a course on how you can publish on platforms like Draft2 Digital, Ingrand Spark, what is it called, Google Playbook, and most of these platforms. You can also find the link in the description below and go and take advantage of that. Okay, so most of the description that will actually get you into my mentorship, the links that will actually get you into my mentorship is being linked in the description below. And if you also want to message me privately, the link is also in the description below. And please, if you are coming to my DM, go straight to the point. Don't say hi or hello, it is not necessary. Just go straight to the point. What is bringing you to my DM, you get. Now if you are asking me question and it's something that already answered inside my inner circle mentorship, I might not provide answer to that. I might just refer you to actually go and get the mentorship so that you can see a visual explanation of what your question is talking about. You understand? Because most of the KDP questions that you might be asking, or the issues that you might be facing on KDP, or how to do Amazon KDP the right way, how to publish smoothly without being afraid that something will happen to your KDP account or books, is already covered in the inner circle mentorship. So if you want to get it again, is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I am Value Bank and I'll be rooting for you all from afar. God bless you.